Very soon we are tuav. This is a real, not tuav. Yes. เอาทำอย่างนี้แหละเอาทำมัน2 อันก็ได้หรือดึงเขาเป็นลังอีกอันหนึ่งมันมี2 อันใส่หันละใส่ตรงกลางนี่แหละจอดหน่อยจอดต่อเต้นเนาะมันจะใใส่ตรงกลางเนี่ย Yes เป็ดตัวหัวเลย We are about tuav and this is tuav so we want to be tuav is to be tuav and will be tuaving is will be tuaving Mom is coming and the guy is coming Yeah we will be putting mom in here and we will จะไปเอาข้าวเหนียวมาฝนไปเอาข้าวเหนียวจากข้างล่างมาWe will be saying she saying we have to drink tuav and whoever can do the tuav first that one will win some prizes Hmong American kids never get to tuav and here we brought this whole thing from Thailand just to tuav and we will be tuaving very soon I am talking about English future tense so, we need to volunteer we need 4 people and the model is coming okay so 2 people 1 person here step here so this don't move and then really all the way through until the sticky rice becomes a patty and you put the patty into luva and the luva has a lot of eggs and the luva make the egg do not make the va do not sticky and you put the sticky rice onto the va and then you put the egg into your hand so it doesn't stick your hand and then you make a patty and then if you make a patty first you win these guys and then you get a small prize from the Hmong Town marketplace all right so here we are bringing this thing all the way from Thailand just for the sake of showing the Hmong kids in America that we come from a culture that we used to tuav from hand and we don't have the sticky rice part automatic part to make tuav right now we need to do the hands-on so we're bringing one more tuav oh sao tuav sao mà nhiều tuổi cái con nữa thì theo
năng say đấy
này chưa đâu sao tuổi rồi chờ ơi sẽ đây tuav này yeah con này là con tuav này đó yes con này là con tuav this is the real tuav in Laos and in Thailand and you don't know but we have been tuaving for many years this way you know
năng mà say chống cơ
oh the cake is coming the cake oh yeah nó khác chỉ được cắt cái cake thôiเลยbut you know the cake is coming please go to get the cake please tôi chạy đây chỉ có cuốn lúc em thấy là chạy tụi đó chúng ta ít chặt chân rồi nó cho trong cuốn stick là xóa đi con ơi ôi nè dạ nè một cái cuốn lúc em rồi một cái này egg please tôi chỉ muốn egg salad cover no remember Okay, I think hang on for a second. Okay, let's go go. Hurry! Oh, anh bảo điện họ cho lên rồi. Cho hai điều đi. Yeah. Okay, hello. Thôi sao tỏ một tỏ mà ở highway 2 way mà cho ở highway 1 way mà yeah one time okay here is my eggs are coming okay let's do the 20 who's gonna be next you want to try come try okay do come try tuần cho xe tụi ta là tuần cái thi nào nữa là tuần lâu chứ sợ sợ lâu